Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Got bullied. Stop and remember who matters most. 1. Someone laugh at you. Reason, your confidence matters more than their opinion. 2. Someone call you a silly nickname. Reason, kindness is always a better response. 3. Someone ignore you. Reason, focus on people who appreciate you. 4. Someone criticize your style. Reason, wear what makes you happy. 5. Someone doubted your dreams. Reason, let your actions do the talking. 6. Someone made fun of your mistakes. Reason, mistakes help us learn and improve. 7. Someone left you out of a game. Reason, new opportunities and new comrades are always possible. 8. Someone interrupted you. Reason, your voice still deserves to be heard. 9. Someone rolled their eyes at you. Reason, keep smiling and stay positive. 10. Someone spreads negativity. Reason, don't let it rain on your good mood. 11. Someone underestimate you. Reason, surprise them with your progress. 12. Someone tease your hobbies. Reason, enjoy what makes you smile. 13. Someone laugh before you finish. Reason, finish your story with confidence. 14. Someone wasn't supportive. Reason, encourage yourself and keep growing. 15. Someone said you cannot. Reason, use it as a motivation to keep trying. 16. Someone copied your idea without credit. Reason, great idea keeps coming from creative minds. 17. Someone tried to ruin your day. Reason, don't give them the remote control to your happiness. 18. Someone judge you too quickly. Reason, people are more than first impression. 19. Someone made you feel small. Reason, remember your value doesn't shrink because of someone else's words. 20. Feeling discouraged. Reason, the person who matters most is the one in the mirror. Treat yourself with kindness and let supportive people come with your journey. 21. Take a deep breath first. Reason, a calm mind makes better choices. 22. Remember your family and true comrades. Reason, they care about you for who you are. 23. Don't let one rude comment define your day. Reason, one cloud doesn't erase the sunshine. 24. Smile and keep moving forward. Reason, your future is more important than a bad moment. 25. Focus on your goals. Reason, success loves persistence. 26. Laugh at the small stuff when you can. Reason, humor can make tough days feel lighter. 27. Talk to someone you trust. Reason, sharing your feelings can help. 28. Remember your strengths. Reason, you have talents that deserve attention. 29. Be kind even when others aren't. Reason, kindness reflects your character. 36. Walk away from pointless arguments. Reason, protecting your peace is a smart choice. 31. Enjoy your favorite hobby. Reason, doing what you love boosts your mood. 32. Be proud of who you are. Reason, your value isn't decided by someone else's words. 33. Remember that everyone faces challenges. Reason, tough moments don't last forever. 34. Believe in your potential. Reason, confidence grows one step at a time. 35. Take care of yourself. Reason, your well-being comes first. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.